Okay, let's do it. I got my cutters here. I have not checked this yet. We're both going to check it at the same time. I've got water pressure all in there, and I don't know if I have it right here. And it makes sense to check this very last one out, doesn't it? Let's get you set up. Let's get you set up right like that. Okay. Now initially it's funny, I did a test. Before I do that, I did a test right there. Before I had all this dug up, and I cut it out and the water pressure wasn't going very much, and I thought, yeah, it's the same thing. Well, that's because these 1/4-inch tubes are smashed down between those two roots. That's why the water pressure wasn't there. And I did not check it over here because I didn't have that dug up. Okay, so when I cut this one had a cap on it. When I cut it, let's see how much water pressure it has. I'm actually hoping that the water pressure is not very strong right here, because then I'll know from this point back towards where I worked is the issue. If not, it's somewhere else. Okay. Ah, look at that. Look at that. See how much water pressure we have there? Look at that. Well, okay. That's how much water pressure you should have. See there? For my purposes, that's not necessarily a good thing, because then that tells me my issue is somewhere not as easy for me to find. Okay, I didn't say I couldn't find it. I'm in the process. All right, I'm in the process of finding it. I'm just trying to get the extra little piece of pipe off of here so I can reuse this cap. Okay, come on. Sometimes I use my pliers to pinch it off, but this time I thought, I'll just pull it off this way. Okay. So back goes that. There. Oh, that's funny. No, that's right. Okay. Okay. So that Dabbity nabbit. Rumpelstiltskin. It tells me it's not that way. Okay. I'm still glad I checked it all out. Right? Because I found all kinds of things I need to do differently. I made the determination everything at this point is going. Could I have checked that initially, the very first thing? Yeah, I could have, had I been thinking about it. But at that point, I already had this dug up, this little section dug up, and I was trying to find a couple other things. I still would have done a lot of this stuff. So hey, I'm fine. I'm fine with that. I don't really care too much about that. And then I can find other things that need to be fixed along the way, right? But what does that tell me? That tells me I'm gonna have to probe some more. So I know the main water line gate valve is there, main pipe's out of there. There's nothing in here that I can see goes underneath the grass over to here or over on that side. Okay, and this is all working. So anything in the foyer area is working. This is all working. So now I've got to do some more probing, which means I've got to, and see, the water's still on, and it's still nothing over here. But there is water in this pipe. As I showed you before, it is dripping. Just so you can see that for your own eyes. See that? It's drip, 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 drip from there, because I pulled that out before. When I pull that coupling out, a little gusher comes up maybe this tall. So there is water in it, and it is on this same bubbler system for the front yard. Okay, so now I'm not going to mess in here anymore right now. I'm going to have to find out where these bubblers, where the rest of this piping goes. Piping goes underneath, and I am going to make the assumption that that pipe goes over into this area here. There's got to be some bubblers in here. This is in a pot. Okay, that plant is in a pot. There used to be a tree right there, and it died. Okay, and these plants around here and that plant are alive. That tells me there's going to be bubblers in there. And then I'm going to have to dig. I'm going to have to come over on this side. I'm going to have to see if these bubblers are on the front yard. This is still part of the front yard. Where do the bubblers end? Right here for the front yard, or down to there from the front yard? Could it be somewhere over here? Okay, the only way to know is first I'm going to have to dig up a bubbler in one of these to see if that bubbler is working on the same system. Okay, so before I do anything else over here, before I do anything else over there, I'm gonna dig over there, see if I can at least find a bubbler that's working. Dig over here to where there's a bubbler and see if in fact one of these bubblers is working. And let's just see. I remember seeing a couple lines right here. Oh, look at that, see that's going right now, and see how they did it. They got the bubbler end right there. Isn't that something? And it's working. So, and there's another one. There's two going to there, one going this way. So I know this little section over here is on the front yard. Here's another. Okay, good. Here's another bubbler that's working on there, and it's going over. So see if I cut the end of one of these off, and if it's shooting fast, then I'll have to keep finding out where the issue is. And so see, this line, it's going through here, and you know what? It could be over here somewhere. It could be down low over here. It could, who knows? I know there's two valves in there. I'm only seeing one section of piping. That could be for one valve. Another one could be actually deeper than that, because it's about 18-20 inches deep from there. This is only less than 8 or 9 inches deep. There could be another one coming from there, going across there, and it could, but you know, only one of those gate valves is for the bubbler system. Okay, so back off. There could still be another line. There's got to be another line that goes across here, and so that whole issue of the line being smashed could be somewhere over here. Okay, it could be that, it could be around there, it could be anywhere in here. And so I'm going to have to look and see. Here's some water right there, so I know a portion. Oh, and see these are working right here. That's part of the front yard. Okay, look over here. Look, we can see remnants of water still on, and I only have the one drip system on for the front yard. So that tells me these are on the front yard too. Okay, so my hypothesis is it's not here, it's not there, it's not here. It could be here or off to the side, and I still have to dig and try to find a bubbler over there to see if the bubbler is in fact on this front system. And if it is, then I'll have to check that side, kind of like how I'm doing this. Not necessarily digging as deep, But I have to locate a bubbler and then a bubbler over there and then a bubbler over there and see if it's coming out fast there, if it's coming out fast there, if it's coming out fast over there, if it's coming out fast over here. But if it's not coming out fast over here, then I know the issue's between here and here. Stuff like that. That's what I have to keep working on. I'm not done until I find the issue. And don't get me wrong, when I say I'm done, when I find the issue, that'll mean I'm done with that portion of the project. I won't be done with all this stuff, figuring out what stays, what goes, what needs to be rerouted, what needs to be cut off, what needs to be capped off, all that kind of stuff. Of course, I still have to do all that, right?